With an already awesome backyard, this thing was only missing a couple things. So we really wanted to get some visual moving water in here. And also there was an abundance of road noise, so we needed some ambient sound. And what better to do that, even in a small scale and a small space, than a hand-selected, custom-drilled limestone fountain piece. You guys are about to see this thing come together. Me and Cody are gonna knock this one out. It is a one-day gig to get this thing done, but the impact that it's gonna make is going to last forever. Let's get to it. But generally when we're using the limestones, we're installing aqua blocks and a giant reservoir underneath the ground, but that is not always necessary. So doing a basin like this, we're putting about the maximum size rock you would really want to put on top of an aqua basin, but you don't have to use something fake or something light. You could use a real stone on top of these things if it's properly sized and get a crazy awesome effect afterwards. So what that's going to do is not only do you not have to worry about this thing collapsing over time, you don't have to worry about, chip, paint, wear and tear, stuff like that. This thing is there permanently. But also for this application, using an aqua basin really helps make this thing as cost effective as possible. And I'm not saying penny pinching, I'm just saying going from an aqua basin to a large aqua block reservoir with vaults and the whole nine, the price difference is absolutely tremendous to go from an aqua basin to those. So doing a single standalone limestone fountain piece on top of an aqua basin, not only is it a giant impact in a smaller area, but it's really not crazy amount of money either, because you don't have all of that extra stuff that goes with it. The only hard part that I would say is me and Cody having to lift up a multi-100-pound stone and put the plumbing and everything in there. But the impact, once again, is absolutely worth it in the end. So one of the best things I think about having these limestone fountains is not only do they make amazing sound, they create awesome visual effects, they're all one of a kind. These things are not mass-produced in a factory. This is a literal hand-picked, one-of-a-kind stone set up and drilled in-house, so that every single one of these fountains that we install is a custom work of art, and they can be installed in multiples, they can be installed in singles. Depends on how crazy you want to get, but the impact of these things and what they do when you put them in your backyard, getting the sound of that moving water, almost like a waterfall, with that visual effect, with lights dancing up through it, it is an absolutely tremendous difference how something that is so intricate and on a small scale can make such a big impact on how you spend your time outside and how you enjoy yourself in your backyard.